Are you ready to take charge of your future? Do you dream of making a real difference in the world? Welcome to Goal Setting Game Changer for Teens, the ultimate video for teenagers who are eager to set and achieve their goals. In this exciting journey, we will uncover the secrets to becoming a successful game changer. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered. Segment 1: The Power of Goal Setting. Setting goals is the very first step towards turning your dreams into reality. Goals give you direction, purpose, and focus. They provide you with a roadmap to success. Let's dive into the incredible power of goal setting. Segment 2: Strategies for Setting Goals. Now that you understand the power of goals, let's explore effective strategies to set them. We'll discover how to identify your passions, define clear objectives, and create actionable plans. Get ready to unleash your full potential. Segment 3: Taking Action and Staying Motivated. Setting goals is not enough, taking action is what truly counts. We'll reveal proven techniques to stay motivated and overcome obstacles along the way. You'll learn how to stay focused, develop discipline, and maintain a positive mindset. Segment 4: Inspiring Success Stories. Inspiration fuels dreams. In this segment, we'll hear from successful teenage game changers who turned their aspirations into achievements. Their stories will motivate you, proving that with determination and perseverance, you can conquer any dream. Segment 5: Embracing Failures and Celebrating Success. Failure is a part of the journey. We'll explore how setbacks shape character and teach valuable lessons. Additionally, we'll emphasize the importance of celebrating milestones and acknowledging your accomplishments. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the tools and mindset to become a game changer through effective goal setting. Remember, your dreams are within reach. Set your goals, take action, and achieve them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other teenagers ready to make a difference. Together, let's revolutionize the world. We hope you enjoyed Goal Setting Game Changer for Teens. This transformative video was created to inspire teenagers like you to unleash your full potential through goal setting. Remember, you have the power to make a difference, change the game, and achieve remarkable success. Get ready to set your goals and embark on an extraordinary journey towards your dreams. Never give up, and always believe in yourself.